All right, Brew Crew, Brewer here. Welcome back to another weekly performance review video. There's really nothing major to report here. I've only shared 3 trades out this week, and they're mostly scratches, honestly, starting with NVIDIA. This was a 2x3 call ratio put on last week, which expired worthless, meaning we pocket the credit received from putting on this trade. Nothing much here. Next is SPY. This was a butterfly we opened and closed on Wednesday for a 20-cent gain per spread. Nothing much here either. Finally, I put on another SPY butterfly for 0, and that pretty much expired worthless today, so no harm, no foul. Once again, looking at the equity curve, it's fine, just flat. Again, we're, being patient and waiting for the home runs. That's all this is, just being very, very patient and saving our energy on execution and management so that we snag those home runs. Along those lines, you might have noticed that overall I had difficulty finding trades with strong conviction this week. That's why there just wasn't that many great ones I shared out there in real time. And remember, those are the ones that I feel, actually good about. The market this week has really just been moving sideways, and I've been trying to wait for clearer signals to get in on trades that I just feel confident about, but I just wasn't seeing any good ones, whether it's in the technical setups or in the price of the spreads. And you know what? That's okay. I think it's very tempting for us to want to force trades on every day. That way, we feel like we are somehow making money, right? But a wise trader once told me, not having a position is a position. Not sure is a viable bias. Money is made by what you don't do. Out of all the sins a trader commits, probably the longest and hardest one to really ingrain in ourselves is to not jump into too many things and to know that not knowing is a valid bias. Consistent money made in the markets is not by, making money in the market. Consistent money is made in not doing stupid things and giving back the winners. So just think about this, right? Like, how many times have you thrown money at a trade that you didn't feel great about and you're kind of just whatever's about it? You just let that money go to waste without even trying to knock down the debit when the trade doesn't work in your favor, right? I know I for sure used to be like that. I would find some cheap plays, do a bunch of them, and all of a sudden all the tiny debits started adding up. And over time, I wasn't making any progress in my equity curve. And looking back, it was just like, did I even need to take a lot of those trades when the setup wasn't that good? When I didn't have a clear signal of the market? Probably not. I probably shouldn't have taken those dumb trades. But I think all of this can easily be fixed if we all took a bit of accountability in our own actions, our own trades, and diligently log them, and maybe even share them to others to sort of hold ourselves even more accountable, right? When there are more eyes on us. So think about that, and think about this entire trading journey as a business. I think these concepts are really what have helped me sit on my hands a lot better and make me more of what some might see as a boring trader. But that's actually what you want. You want to be boring. All right. Anyway, that's it for today. Tomorrow, I'll be going over the SPY trade I entered today and what I'm looking for in SPY early next week, how I'll be managing the trade, all that good stuff. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and feel free to join us by checking out the links to our Twitter, Discord, and Twitch down in the description below. It's all free. We share our thoughts and trades and setups, entries, exits, all that good stuff, all that good commentary, and all those good vibes. But for now, stay safe, Brew Crew, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.